bird,
It's that bird.
It's a goat.
What kind of bird in the tree? You see a goat?
Back a ways.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Whoop, 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 whoop. Come on, do it again.